Alright, your turn now. You go now.
Alright. Yeah, I want to take a shit in my parents' house.
You remember that time when they have like the anniversary party and stuff? Yeah. That's why your father don't like me still, isn't it? Because he kinda left him a little brown present in our bathroom.
Ew, Lord, that nasty.
Alright, my turn now, my turn. See? That's something when I ask all that girl and me what they within there. So nobody feel no way.
Alright.
You can run?
Yes, anybody that can run.
Like how fast? Like Shelly and Fraser type running, Veronica Campbell, like as you hear the gun, boom, you're gone.
Alright, like currently me like Merlin at it fast.
Merlin not too fast.
Yeah.
Alright, me work with that still. Me work with that.
Cool.
Isn't it?
Alright. My turn for asking the next question.
Yeah.
Alright. You see some people that beat me up. Or may I get robbed or something. What would you do?
Babes, look for me, you know me. Look how my buff. Look how my buff. See, me I protect you at all costs. And any boy come across I get you see me?
Aww.
Superman. Warm to them.
Aww. Yeah, now I feel special.
I say, babes, you don't know who you're there with.
In the left fair. Me tell him this is not war. If you're trying to make me quit, then you're not far. Just because you bought me jewels and a hot car.
Yo. You, give me hot. Throw it on this one. Alright, now you, give me phone. Give me bank them. Come, everything. Watch. Give me watch.
Kevin, do something now. Kevin!
Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy, and this is
Your girl Abs.
and I want you guys to go and like the Facebook page for I Have a Heart. You see me? After you like the video and you share the video, you go like the Facebook page.
And follow on
Flies.
and follow on Twitter at I2HaveAHeart.
Yeah, support the cause, support the foundation, you know what I mean? It's a good thing.
Yes, man.